Good day! I am Mark Kenneth Olaybal and I am presenting my community project proposal entitled Galaw-Galaw, Bawal Tamad, an enjoyable exercise program for grade 6 learners with the theme Mahusay na Galaw, Masiglang Katawan. This project is designed to promote active and healthy lifestyle among young learners through fun and engaging physical activities. Today, many students are becoming less physically active due to increased screen time and sedentary lifestyles. This lack of movement can negatively affect their physical health, energy levels, and overall well-being. In Tenejero Integrated School, there is a need to encourage learners to engage in regular physical activity in a way that is enjoyable, simple, and sustainable. This is why the project Galaw-Galaw, Bawal Tamad was developed to motivate students to move, participate, and build healthy habits early in life. The main goal of this project is to promote physical activity and healthy habits among 40 grade 6 students. Specifically, this project aims to enable at least 85% of participants to correctly perform 5 basic exercises, encourage active participation in a 20-minute guided exercise routine, and inspire students to commit to exercise at least 3 times per week. Through this, we aim to build not just skills but long-term healthy behaviors. This project supports key United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. SDG 3, Good Health and Well-Being, by promoting regular physical activity and fitness. SDG 4, Quality Education, by providing meaningful and practical learning experiences. SDG 11, Sustainable Cities and Communities, by encouraging a healthier and more active school environment. Through this initiative, we connect local action to global impact. So, the project will be conducted at Tenejero Integrated School with 40 grade 6 students. The highlight of the activity is a 20-minute enjoyable exercise routine, which includes warm-up exercise such as stretching and light jogging, fun activities like dance freeze, jumping jacks, and interactive games, cool-down also exercises with breathing and stretching. And the session will end with a reflection and a pledge to continue exercising regularly. Well, as a future physical education teacher, this project is very meaningful to me. Physical education is not just about sports. It is about developing physical literacy, discipline, and lifelong healthy habits. And this program reflects my role in promoting active lifestyle, encouraging movement and participation, supporting the holistic development of learners. Through this initiative, I am not only teaching exercises. I am helping students build a foundation for a healthier future. In conclusion, Galaw-Galaw, Bawal Tamad is a simple yet impactful program that promotes health, movement, and positive habits among young learners. With its clear objectives, engaging activities, and strong alignment with global goals, this project is both feasible and essential. I humbly ask for your support in implementing this initiative to help create a more active, healthy, and empowered generation. Maraming salamat po.